Welcome to Tower Garden by Juice Plus. Whether you've already bought a tower garden or just want to learn more about it, we're going to show you why this is one of the smartest purchases you'll ever make.
Tower Garden is a patented, state-of-the-art vertical gardening system that makes it easy for anyone to grow fresh fruits and vegetables right at home.
And you don't have to be a gardener to enjoy Tower Garden. In fact, people who've never grown anything in their lives tell us it's not only a fun way to grow your own fresh produce, but it's also a great way to help you and your family eat healthier by adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet.
So, what exactly is Tower Garden? And why is it such a smart purchase? Well, as a gardener myself, if I had to describe it in one word, that word would be easier. Easier to start than a traditional garden, and a whole lot easier to maintain. With a compact, state-of-the-art vertical design that fits easily on a deck, patio, or balcony.
Easier for us non-gardeners too. Though the word I'd use would be convenient. Think about it. You want a salad? Just open the back door, take a couple steps over to your tower garden, and there it is. Fresh, healthy, tasty produce. It's like having a farmer's market on your back porch.
And while most gardeners enjoy getting out the shovel, putting on the gloves, and digging around in the backyard, more and more are also enjoying a new way of gardening, the Tower Garden way. Everything you need to start growing is right in the box, with none of the weeding, tilling, and ground pests you get with a regular garden. And to top it off, there's an online resource center to help you every step of the way.
You even get to be a part of a growing community of health-minded, environmentally conscious Tower Garden owners who share growing tips and learn from each other on the Tower Talk online forum.
As soon as you start putting your tower garden together, you begin to understand the amazing science behind it. It grows plants using something called aeroponics. Aeroponics is the process of growing plants in an air or mist environment without the use of soil. Tower Garden has a 20-gallon reservoir tank at its base. Here, a pump pushes a nutrient solution up the central column to the top of the tower. On its journey down the tower, the plant roots are showered with the nutrient solution. And this process is continually repeated, providing fresh oxygen, water, and nutrients to the roots of the plants. Because of this aeroponic system, Tower Garden uses as little as 10% of the water usually needed for regular gardening. And since it's vertical, it uses less than 10% of the land as well.
What's even more amazing is the variety of produce you can grow. Each Tower Garden grows 20 plants, and you can choose from a wide variety of fruits and vegetables and herbs, including lettuce, tomatoes, basil, strawberries, even melons. By giving you the power to grow your own fresh fruits and vegetables at home, Tower Garden helps you grow a healthier family too.
You'll quickly discover that Tower Garden fruits and vegetables are better looking and better tasting than supermarket produce that's been shipped hundreds or even thousands of miles.
And if your kids are picky eaters, research shows that children who help grow their own fresh fruits and vegetables are much more likely to eat them. Not to mention the fact that assembling, growing, and harvesting your Tower Garden is a fun activity for the whole family.
Tower Garden contributes to a healthier environment too. Not only does it use less land and water, but Tower Garden also reduces the need for pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides. The all-natural earth minerals in the Tower Tonic nutrient solution help produce strong, healthy plants that are more resistant to pests and disease.
And thanks to Tower Garden's patented technology, those plants grow much faster than they would in soil. You can harvest gourmet lettuce and other leafy greens in about 3 weeks and keep harvesting and reharvesting for months. For many of us, keeping up with a regular garden these days just isn't an option. Either because we don't have the space, the time, or if you're like me, there's just too much work involved.
And because the cost of store-bought produce keeps going up and the quality keeps going down, Tower Garden can save you money.
In fact, when you consider that the USDA recommends a family of 4 spend as much as $100 a week on fruits and vegetables, it's easy to see how your Tower Garden can quickly pay for itself. It's certainly a lot less than investing in a garage full of the tools and other stuff you need for regular gardening.
And because it's made from durable, food-grade plastic, it will keep paying those dividends for years.
So experience a garden that's healthier for you, your family, and the environment.
Experience the freshness and great taste of eating about as local as you can possibly get. From Tower to table.
Experience Tower Garden by Juice Plus. It's one of the smartest purchases you'll ever make.